this is the office supply stuff here at the dollar store, and I am going to make a shelf out of this using these. You can pick any color you want, but I'm going to use this one. At the dollar store, they also have these. I've used them inside my vanity, and I keep like eyeshadows, loose ones and stuff in there, and they also have stuff like this one. So this also works to use on top of your vanity or whatever you want to use them for. So the first thing you're going to need is this organizer from the dollar store, an office space organizer, and the second thing you're going to need is thumbtacks. Now these were $1 also at Dollar Tree. Now make sure they're sharp and long enough to fit through. You can measure where you want yours, you know, make sure it's all straightened out or any stuff like that, but I'm not going to do that because this is my fourth shelf and I'm positive that it is correct. So you're going to put one in the middle, just like that. And this is going to hold as your base for the entire thing. This is the foundation of the shelf. So we just want to make sure, you know, you have it right where you want it. And then we're going to add another one. Make sure that the middle of this, you know, homemade shelf has plenty in the middle because it's going to support it and support all the weight. This is where you want all of it to be, all the strengths to be. And we're going to apply another one. Now you could do this zigzag or straight lines. And I don't really care how sloppy mine is because honestly, no one's really going to see it. And we're going to add another one right in the corner right there. Make sure it's nice and tight. And one on the edge. And another one right there in the corner. Nice and secured in. Make sure it's nice and tight. And another one right there on the side. Make sure you add thumbtacks even to the other side as well on the edges because you don't want it to fall off. So I'm going to put 3 on. And we're going to do the same to this side. Make sure it's nice and fastened up. And then another one. Nice and tight. Push them real good. And then we're going to add another one. 3 even that side and 3 on that side. Make sure to push it in really good. And just make sure that they're all pushed in. You can add as many as you feel that's needed of how much weight you think you're going to have on it, but this is just how many I'm adding to it. It's really simple and really straightforward. So we're going to add another one here. I just want to make sure it's extra supported. And push it in. Make sure they're all fastened in there. See, simple as 1, 2, 3. This is how I did mine, and this is my fourth shelf. I wouldn't be doing it if I wasn't positive it wasn't going to hold up. So you guys can try this out too. Make sure to buy the stuff at anywhere where you can find stuff like this. Dollar Tree, Target, anywhere, Walmart, and you can make your own for really cheap, affordable, and they work and they look really nice. No one's going to see the background. You can cover the background with some like wrap or something, whatever you want to do, but no one's going to see it, and this is what it looks like. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe.